Alright guys, for those of you who love eating natural fresh berries, here they are. And you can see you can pick them straight from the shrub. The more black they are, the more ripe they are. So here you can see them growing in the wild, in nature. I just picked a handful and I'm gonna pick some more. It's full of vitamin C and other vitamins, so if you guys are ever in the wild like Mr. Grills, here's some nice food you can get close to a forest or in nature. Very, very tasty. It tastes different than raspberries, but it's still very, very good. So eating those will not only get rid of your hunger, but it will also give you a bit of fluids. So let me pick a few more. I'm actually eating them straight from the shrub. So if you come across a shrub like this in nature, it can be a real feast because they are delicious, especially when ripe. And as you can see, for the red ones, if you're gonna camp nearby, you can just give them a few days and they will be as black as these guys, and obviously they are ready for consumption. Really tasty. In other words, if you know your way around plants, especially in the summer, there's no way you can go and starve, especially in temperate climate. Thanks for watching, guys. See more plants on our channel.